Very good evening, my friends. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. I'm really very happy and very proud of our signals this week so far that we have sent on the premium group signals. And as we can see, yesterday, Monday, we had all these signals with only one minimized loss of 35 pips loss only against 20 pips of profit. And again later, Pound USD have made 120 pips of profit, Pound CHF 30 pips of profit, and CAD JPY 20 pips of profit. And today, Tuesday, we have actually made really good day with only one loss of 30 pips, and the rest of the signals have reached the take profit level number 1, making a total of actually the Pound NZD has made the recovering of the loss from the Pound USD. Therefore, the net profit for today so far is 40 pips. I mean, that's really great. Other signals providers, usually they let the signal to hit the stop loss, but what we are doing here is we are doing our best to control your fund and to actually save it and give you the maximum profit possible. And as we can see, thankfully, we have received really nice messages from the members who have actually entertained these profits and these nice signals. Look at that. I made almost $1,000 yesterday using 0.25 lots using the signals. I mean, amazing. And this gentleman here have also made a good profit. This guy here, he have made all these profits in just 10 minutes. It's unbelievable. Wow, amazing weekly analysis and start of the week signals. Thank you, and thanks to Sir Salah. So I'm really very happy and very pleased to see these nice feedbacks from our clients and members in the premium group. So the week is still going on and we are expecting more profits. So if you wish to join Extreme Trader Forex Signals group, please, you can contact Angela, or you can actually visit our website www.extreme-trader.com. Please contact us today and hopefully we will see you there. So let's start right now the weekly analysis, and let's look at the Euro USD. As we can see, my signal for the Euro USD was really just perfectly fine, and the pair did not even go inside the safe zone. It has reversed exactly at the given entry for the sell, and the pair went straight day one to the take profit level, making 128 pips of profit. I really hope you guys have enjoyed these profits. So now what's next from the Euro USD? By looking now at the daily candles or the daily chart, what we can see right here is that let me delete the previous signals. Alright, now this is more clean right now. So looking at the Euro USD, what we can see is that the pair has actually made the bearish breakout candle from that supported trend line, as we can see. And we can see here that the pattern here is indicating for a bearish reversal. That's a triple top pattern indicating for a bearish reversal. So I believe Euro USD is actually gonna continue the fall eventually until it visit again that broken resistance on 1.14125. Therefore, what we can do next is what's happening right now is that the Euro USD is actually reversing from that support level, as we can see. Eventually the Euro USD is gonna make the breakout from that support, but that might take some time, so we need to look for the best level to start shorting the Euro USD again. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right here is like that, exactly like that. We can see that we had here the previous support level. That support has been eventually made the been broken out from, and what we can see here, if we look carefully at the candles, this is the candle that has actually made the breakout from that support level. And as we can see right here, we had that resistance number 1 on the same level of the support. Therefore, our best chances, wait for the Euro USD to visit that resistance again, retest the broken support level, and then we can start short the pair again, aiming that lowest support level in the past. That being said, I think we might need to do some adjustments here. Hold on. I think I made a mistake. Hold on, guys. I just want to be sure the analysis is correct. I definitely have made a mistake, because actually this is the breakout candle, not this one. Okay, let's change the signal. It's gonna be right here. is gonna be right here at that previous support level, when that support level is gonna be a new resistance, and then we can start again shorting the pair, aiming that lowest level of the support, as I said before. So we are just like 15 pips away from reaching our entry point. I don't know if it's gonna be valid after I post this video, therefore let's just hurry up. Euro USD is good for the short on 1.17325. What? Oh shit, sorry. Okay. Sell on 1.17325. And for the safe zone is gonna be ranging inside that previous resistance level, and I believe that's gonna be about 60 or 56 pips, which is fair enough. I really don't think the pair is gonna be able even to reach that level, because as I said before, let me just explain it. As I said before, we had right here a previous support trend line which has been breaking out from, and we can expect from the pair, because this is now daily candle. So right now it is Dubai time, it is actually 9:35 p.m. so almost after 3 hours and 24 minutes this candle is gonna close. So the next candle is actually gonna rise a little bit more, retesting that broken support level, support trend line, and then the pair is gonna definitely continue the fall. I don't really think it's gonna reach the edge of the safe zone. Therefore, this is our signal for the Euro USD, and let's just set the take profit level, as I said, to be at that lowest support level. Let's look at the daily candle. I think that's enough, like that, perfect. So we can be looking for almost 225 pips of profit. Hopefully we will make them all. So let's just set the take profit level is gonna be on 1.14969. Again, hopefully it's gonna be a good signal and everyone will entertain some good profits out of it. Now let's look at the pound USD. Pound USD as well has reached the take profit level. We can see that the pound USD has went just for almost 23 pips against my entry, and then again it went down right on the take profit level all the way to the take profit level, making 160 pips, 160 pips of profit, and hopefully everyone have actually took this signal. So now what's next? Let me first delete the other signal so it will not confuse us. Alright, let's now look at the daily candles. Now what we can see right here is that the Euro USD, the Pound USD is actually facing a previous resistance level, which was also previously a support in the past. However, the bearish momentum is stronger for the Pound USD, and what we can expect next is that the pair is actually gonna reverse on that previous support level. However, it's gonna just make a bounce or correction, and as we can see, we had right here a previous resistance, and the pair is gonna actually go a little bit more up, retesting that broken support and resistance as well, and then gonna continue the fall. So that being said, keep saying euro. Hold on, I need to look carefully at the Pound USD because it has just reversed right here from that support level. How many pips is that? 29. We need to be careful and wise about this signal. I really think it's gonna go higher than that. I think it's gonna go higher than that. It's gonna go to the top level of that previous resistance level, this one right here, and then after that it's gonna continue the fall, because we already have here a previous resistance number 1. I believe the pair is gonna continue to rise and hit resistance number 2, and then it's gonna continue the fall. Yeah, that's much better. That's actually the right way. So the Pound USD is good for the short on 1.28042, and for the safe zone it's gonna be ranging until the top of that resistance. So we're talking about almost 60 pips. Again, I really doubt that the pair is even gonna reach the edge of the safe zone. I think it's good, really good for the short this week, and our take profit level is gonna be right here on that next support level, or the nearest support level to my entry. Therefore we are looking for almost 160 pips of profit. Hopefully we will make them. So take profit level is 1.26430. That's the signal for this week for the pound USD. Hopefully is also gonna be a good one. Let's now look at the AUD USD. Also, AUD USD has been activated exactly at the entry level, which I have given on the weekly analysis video, and it went all the way to the take profit level, making a total of 88 pips of profit. I really hope you guys have taken these signals. Now, what's next? AUD USD might be a little bit complicated because the pair is right now facing a strong key level, support level. That's a very strong support level. As we can see, it has already made so many attempts in the past as a support, and therefore we can expect that the pair might not be able to make the breakout right away from that level. So what's the next move to do here? Let me just tell you something. If we draw a Fibonacci retracement, as you can see, the pair has actually made the fall below Fibonacci 61.8. Therefore, what we can expect right now, after reversing on that previous support level, the pair is actually might go a little bit more up, retesting the broken support level on Fibonacci 61.8, and then it's gonna continue the fall. We might expect for the pair to go a little bit more up to hit that resistance number 1, and then it might reverse. That's our plan B. So our main entry is gonna be right here on Fibo 61.8, and our plan B to fix the trade is gonna be right here on that other resistance. And I don't think it's many pips actually. I think it's just like 29 pips. So that's really more than that's fair enough. So that being said, we can start actually shorting the the AUD USD again right here on that, as I said, Fibonacci 61.8, and the edge of the safe zone is gonna be right there at that previous support level, making it almost 52 pips of safe zone. 52? 54, 55, like that. Okay, so we can start shorting the AUD USD on 0.71971. And for the take profit level, is gonna be, of course, at the lowest level of the support right here, because as I said, in general, the pair is going in the bearish momentum. Therefore, the take profit level is gonna be 0.70750. Again, hopefully, it's gonna be a good signal. USD CAD has also been triggered, and it has been triggered exactly from the buy level I have given, and also it went all the way to the take profit level, making it 145 pips of profit. Fantastic day, really. All the results, all the signals are going perfectly fine. I really wish all of the days and all of the analysis will be the same. Okay, so what's next now for the USD CAD? Well, USD CAD is gonna continue the rise. However, it's a matter of where we can start again buying the pair. Definitely that's going to be the best level to start buying the pair, because we're having right here a previous resistance which has been broken out from, and we had here also that previous support level. Be sure that that support cannot be ignored, and it's going to be again another support right here. So therefore, after that support keeping its position as a support, we can actually start buying the pair. Currently, the USD CAD is reversing from that resistance level on 1.33360. So I think by the end of the day, the reversal is gonna be completed, or the pattern is gonna complete its form, and therefore we can start again buying the USD CAD once it reaches our entries. That being said, USD CAD is good for the buy on 1.32730, and the safe zone is gonna be ranging until the next level of that previous resistance level. Let's be more realistic, and exactly like that. Yes, perfect. So we're talking about 52 pips of a safe zone, which is fair enough. So that's the level to buy the signal, the pair. And as I said, the pair is going to continue to rise at least to hit that previous resistance line right here on 1.33932. So this is actually our take profit level. So we are talking about almost 120 pips of profit. So take profit level 1.33932. Again, hopefully it's gonna be another good signal. USD CHF has also been triggered from the same level I have given for the buy, and again USD CHF has went all the way to the take profit level, making exactly almost 100 pips of profit. Fantastic. Really, guys, I really hope everyone have taken these signals because they were actually amazing. All of them have went directly in the profit. So let's see now what's next with the USD CHF. Now the USD CHF is really so easy to analyze because, as we can see right here, we had that previous support resistance level, and right here, and as we can see, I have given you the signal to start buying the USD CHF right from this level for one reason. Is actually, as I told you before many times, when you see a bullish breakout candle from a resistance, you need to start buying the pair again at the same level of the top of the nearest wick or tail to the breakout candle. So by looking at that previous resistance right here, that wick right here is the nearest one to the bullish breakout candle, and therefore this is exactly where we want to start longing the pair again. So USD CHF is good for the buy on the level 0.91748, and of course we can keep the trade running in the safe zone until that previous support level. I think we can make it even lower than that, exactly like this. So the safe zone is going to be ranging for almost 50 pips, which is fair enough. And there goes the shape of the safe zone, and the target of course is going to be, let me just, we are not placing these targets randomly, by the way. There is a science behind it. Let's go to the daily candle. It's definitely going to be, if it made the breakout from that resistance, it's going to continue the rise all the way to retest that broken support level right here on this level. So the take profit level is going to be on 0.91748. So we are looking for almost 185 pips of profit. Hopefully also we are gonna make them all. Let's talk about the USD/JPY. USD/JPY signal hasn't been triggered. However, the pair right now is reversing exactly at that support level I have mentioned last week. So therefore, it's obviously by seeing the price action on the daily candles and the reversing from that support level, it seems like the USD/JPY is a good for a bullish reversal. So it's a matter of where we can start actually buying the pair. Let's look at the USD/JPY again. Now we switch to the 4-hour time frame so we can see clearly the support and resistance on the 4-hour time frame. And as we can see right here, we are having that previous support level, which was also in the past a resistance, and that is the bullish breakout candle from the resistance. And notice also that in the past, that's the very same support level has kept its position also as a support. That being said, this support and this support, they are both gonna keep their position also as a support. So therefore, this is gonna be the level where we can start again buying the USD/JPY, and we can keep the trade running all the way until it hit the top of that resistance. So USD/JPY, actually how many pips is that? It's gonna continue fall for almost 15 pips. Alright, USD/JPY is good for the buy on 104.804, and the safe zone is gonna be ranging of course until that lowest level of that previous support level. So we are talking about, let me just reduce it like that, that's more safe, for almost 55 pips, which I believe is fair enough as a safe zone. And our take profit level is gonna be the top of that resistance level right there. So hopefully we are aiming about 142 pips profit from the USD/JPY. Take profit level is 106.250. Hopefully also it's gonna be a good signal for everyone. Now let's check the gold. Now for the gold, let's go for the 4-hour time frame. If you remember, my friends, I have said many times that the gold is trapped in this channel, and I told you in the video to mark my words. Remember what I'm saying to you. Once the gold is gonna make the breakout from that channel, the breakout is gonna be massive because it is what we called a price explosion. The price has been trapped in this channel for a quite long time, and finally it has made the bearish breakout candle, or sorry, the explosion from that channel, and it went all the way down. So it went in total of 700 pips in a bearish momentum. Actually, I want to tell you something here, and this is actually educative. The price explosion actually happening all the time without you even noticing it. Let's look at that. Look at that. The price was actually, the candles were actually trapped in this small channel right here, and finally we had the price explosion. We can see it also right here. The pair was actually trapped in this channel like that. So we can see this channel, the price was trapped in this channel, and finally we had the explosion happened and the pair went down. We can see it all, actually we can see it everywhere. Every time you can see that the pair is trapped, or sorry, the candles are trapped in that channel, there will be always the explosion. We can see it right here also, like that and like that. So the candles were actually trapped in this channel, and then eventually there was the bullish breakout representing another bullish price explosion. So if you look at the candles, if you read them, you will see this explosion happening almost all of the time. That is what happens actually when the price or the candles or the market is trapped in this channel and just want to get out of it, and the investors actually gonna take their time and invest with the breakout. Anyway, what's gonna happen next with the gold? Actually, the gold needs a lot of analysis, so I'm just gonna pause the video for a minute just to do some my own analysis, and I'll be back to you. Alright, so let's now look at the gold, and I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement from the lowest level in July and of course the highest level in August. However, currently what we can see right here is that the gold is ranging on the Fibonacci 38.2, and as you can see it is retesting that broken support level on that level as well. So that support level has been retested, and the gold seems like it's going to the bearish, and I think the gold is going to continue the fall after retesting that broken support level. So let's now look at the 1 hour time frame, and what we can see right here is we already had a resistance number 1, and right here we had the resistance number 2. Actually, that was our best chance to start shorting the gold again. However, notice that the gold is now reversing from that support level. So it's now being again gonna be trapped in another channel. So what we can do right now, look at that, the gold is gonna be, it seems like it's gonna be trapped in another channel. So we need to wait for the best moment to start shorting the gold again. So what we will do is simply use another Fibonacci retracement right here and mark 61.8. I believe that's gonna be the best level to start again shorting the gold. So we are going to sell the gold on 1909.31, and this time the take profit level is going to be the next Fibonacci retracement on Fibonacci 50, like that. So we are talking about 337 pips of profit. Hopefully we will make them all. 1872.67 is our take profit level. Now let's discuss the safe zone. Now let's go back to the Fibonacci retracement and look at that. We are having right here the Fibonacci retracement 38.2. Let me delete this one here. So 38.2 is gonna be actually the edge of our safe zone, and unfortunately I think it's gonna be, yeah, it's just 92 pips. So that is exactly where I'm going to use the the safe zone for our short for the gold. So it's gonna be like this. That's our signal for the gold this week. Again, I really hope it's gonna be good signals. Please, I want to remind everyone, not every week is gonna be good like this one. Not every analysis I'm doing is gonna be very good and profitable like this one I have made recently. The market is predictable, of course. However, it is very subjective to the economic news. There might be some economic news which is unexpected. It might change the whole direction of these analysis. Actually, let's check something together. Hold on, please, 1 second. So here's the upcoming news, or the upcoming economic news on forexfactory.com. As you can see, tomorrow 6 a.m. Dubai time, 2 a.m. GMT time tomorrow, which is after just a few hours, we're gonna have the official cash rate and the rate statement from the NZD or the New Zealand banks. So this actually might change the whole analysis. So you need to be careful and I mean, not the whole analysis, sorry. It's going to be affect only the NZD pairs. I'm just looking at the pair. Here also, Mr. Jerome Powell is going to testify tomorrow, 6 p.m. Dubai time, 2 p.m. GMT time. And this actually might change or might affect the price of the gold. So you need to pay attention to this testify, because it might actually change the whole analysis I have given. And then Thursday, we're gonna have Treasury second Munich speech, and what else? Again, Mr. Powell is gonna testify again. So we have to pay attention to what this guy says. It's very important, my friends. Please pay attention to these statements. They are very critical for the forex market. Friday is gonna be a good day, and the market seems like it's gonna be calm. So again, these are the analysis that I have given for you on this midweek analysis. Hopefully it's gonna be very good again. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.